Hello students, how are you? I hope you all good. And today's my channel is generated, and today's my topic is about to the law of segregation of Mendel's. So today I am going to discussing about the law of segregation. So this law proposed by the already this law is proposed by the Gregor John Mendel. So Gregor John Mendel is a great scientist. So we have to know in the law of segregations, genes are separate. Genes are separate into the different chromosomes. So here we can understand. So what is the law of segregation? What is the law of segregation? And already it was proposed by the Gregor Johann Mendel. Gregor Johann Mendel was a sincere student at that time. At that time he was a sincere student, very sincere student. So we have to know about law of segregation. Law of segregation. Law segregation. Law of segregation. So in this law, according to this law, the two alleles of a gene, two alleles of a gene remain separate and the genes do not contaminate and the genes don't contaminate and each other in F1. The genes in the F1 they are separate and they pass into the different gametes. The genes are separate and pass into the different gamete. Can you understand? If you are not understanding this topic, this law, it means this law, you may ask me any question in the comment box, and I will give you the answer of your comment as much as possible. So carefully understand. So already each somatic cell of an individual has two copies of a gene. As you already know, each somatic cells is a diploid cell, has a two copy of genes, and haploid cell has a one copy of a gene. So here each gamete has only single copy. Each gamete has a single copy of gene. Here we can cross if we have a round seed round seed, seed, and also wrinkled seed, wrinkled seed. This is the wrinkled seed. This one is round seed. So here we can cross with each other. Uh, Here we can cross with each other. This is the gametes. These are the gametes. This is responsible the wrinkled seed, and this one is these are the responsible for round seed. So here we found we will found here the F1 is the filial first is heterozygous. So here we draw we have to draw we have to draw we have to draw the progeny. So R, capital R, small r, capital R, small r. Here we found this is a round, this one is round, this one is round, this one is round, but this one is a wrinkled seed. So here we will found the 3:1 ratio. This is the phenotypic ratio, and here the genotypic ratio is a 1:2:3:1. Sorry, 1:2:1. So this is the round. This is the heterozygous round. This is the completely wrinkled seed. So this ratio is for responsible for the law of segregation because the sometimes the law of purity of gametes is used to describe the law of segregation. So here we can call the law of segregation is also the law of purity of gametes. So this is the topic. If I have a mistake, so please pardon me. Thank you for being here.